Netflix, Spotify, Gmail, Zoom, WhatsApp. Every single one of these runs in the cloud. But what does that actually mean? Where is the cloud? Who owns it? And why are companies spending trillions of dollars on it? In the next 10 minutes, I'll answer every one of those questions and show you why cloud computing is the career opportunity of this decade. Cloud computing means accessing computing resources, servers, storage, databases, software, networking, over the internet, instead of running everything on your own physical hardware. Before the cloud, companies had to buy and maintain expensive servers in their own offices. Now they rent what they need, on demand, from cloud providers, and pay only for what they use. It's like switching from buying a power generator to just plugging into the electricity grid. Infrastructure as a service, IaaS, gives you raw computing resources, virtual machines, storage, networks. Platform as a service, PaaS, gives you a platform to build and deploy applications without managing the underlying infrastructure. Software as a service, SaaS, gives you ready-to-use software over the internet. Gmail, Salesforce, and Microsoft 365 are all SaaS products. A public cloud is owned by a provider like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, and shared across many customers. A private cloud is dedicated to a single organization, often for security or compliance reasons. A hybrid cloud combines both, letting companies keep sensitive data on private infrastructure while using public cloud for everything else. Most large enterprises globally operate hybrid cloud environments. Cost efficiency, no upfront hardware investment, pay as you go. Scalability, instantly scale up during peak demand, scale down when it's quiet. Global reach, deploy applications in data centers worldwide in minutes. Reliability, cloud providers guarantee 99.99% uptime with built-in redundancy. Innovation speed, access to AI, machine learning, and analytics tools that would be impossible to build in-house. Cloud engineer, cloud architect, cloud security specialist, cloud DevOps engineer, and FinOps analyst, all are in extremely high demand globally. Cloud professionals are among the best compensated in all of IT, with career paths that reward ongoing certification and specialization regardless of which country you work in. If you want the widest global job market, start with AWS. If you're targeting large enterprises, start with Azure. If you want to work in data science or AI, start with Google Cloud. All three platforms offer free tiers, so you can start experimenting today without spending a penny. Uplatz has courses for all three, from absolute beginner through to advanced certification. Cloud computing is not the future, it's the present. And every company in the world needs people who understand it. Head to uplatz.com to start your cloud journey today. Subscribe for more cloud and IT career content every week.